going on, guys? My name is George Aguilar, and today we're going to do a quick unbox of this Hyper T4 by Cooler Master heatsink. If you're still using your stock heatsink, then you better upgrade, because if you want a high performance PC, you're going to need to upgrade the original heatsink to something a little bit better. This is something better, but it's not the best. I would recommend water cooling if you're doing hardcore gaming. Alright, so first off, we got the box right here. Just some quick specifications, what type of CPU sockets you can use. Basically, it's compatible with most of them, except for the AMD Threadripper, which is a big CPU. So let's get this thing out and see what we're gonna expect when we buy one of these. First off, we have this box right here. We have the manuals. Manuals are really important because it's gonna tell you which adapter you're gonna use. The adapters should be in this box. Yep, there's a bunch of adapters here. Like I said, depending on the CPU that you're gonna use, it's the adapter that you're gonna choose. Also, it's really important to tell you that this comes with thermal paste. Just in case you don't buy one, it does come with one. This is this aluminum package, which you're gonna put on it. Really, really important, you have to put thermal paste on the heatsink. If you don't put it, it's not gonna transfer heat to it. And I'll show you that right now. Okay, so right here we got the Cooler Master Hyper T4 heatsink. Looks really nice. 120 millimeter fan, this PNW fan. You can see we have 8 copper tubes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right there. Aluminum radiator. And on the bottom, we got the heat pipes passing through the heatsink right here. Like I said, thermal paste should be put right here. If you don't put it, it's not going to transfer heat to it, and it's not going to do any cooling. So this is basically it. This is the Cooler Master Hyper T4. Looks really nice, looks big. It should do a good job of cooling your CPU, which is the most important part of all this. Well guys, I hope you liked this video. If you like to buy one of these, I'm going to leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.